You hear about AI everywhere, but what does it actually do? In this video, I'll explain how AI works in the simplest way possible in just 5 minutes. No jargon, no hype, just the core concepts. I'm your AI guide, and you're watching Inject Flow. Let's go. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when machines simulate human intelligence. That means they can learn, solve problems, and even be creative. At first, AI was rule-based. Humans programmed it with if, this, then, that instructions. But today's AI learns from data. This new wave is called machine learning. Instead of hard-coding every rule, we feed data into algorithms, and the machine finds patterns. It's like teaching by example instead of giving step-by-step instructions. Most modern AI uses something called a neural network, inspired by the human brain. Imagine a network of neurons, small units that take an input, do a tiny calculation, and pass it on. These neurons are layered. Each layer extracts more complex features from the data. For example, in image recognition, first layer detects edges, next sees shapes, next sees objects. During training, the AI adjusts these connections based on how well it performs, just like trial and error. Over time, it gets really good at things like recognizing speech, generating text, or predicting trends. So how do I, your AI avatar, understand and speak with you? The answer is large language models, or LLMs. These are massive neural networks trained on huge amounts of text, books, websites, conversations. They learn the structure and meaning of language by predicting what comes next. It's like a super smart autocomplete, but on a whole new level. Over time, it learns context, tone, even how to reason or write code. That's how tools like ChatGPT work, and how I can have this conversation with you now. AI is no longer just a research tool. It's everywhere. Today, AI can write blog posts, emails, or even novels, design websites and apps visually, generate art and images from just a text prompt, create voiceovers and clone voices, automate business tasks and customer support, even code entire applications. Some tools making this possible include ChatGPT, DALL-E, ElevenLabs, Google Jules, Manus, and more. You can use many of these today for free, and this is just the beginning. The next wave will blow your mind. AI agents that combine reasoning, memory, and autonomy. Think digital employees that work 24/7, learning and adapting to get better at their jobs. Now that you understand the foundation, imagine what you could build on top of it. The AI revolution is happening right now, and most people are still sitting on the sidelines. Don't be one of them. Subscribe to Inject Flow. I'll be your guide to the tools that actually matter before everyone else figures them out. New video every week, one breakthrough at a time.